quick rant. Did anybody get one of these bad boys? I signed in 15 minutes early, was logged in, ready to rock and roll, added it to my cart, tried to check out, got kicked out. Kicked out as far as completely signed out, and then I couldn't get myself signed back in. And then when I got myself signed back in, I was trying to check out again, and it would get hung up on the address, and then it'd get hung up on the payment part. And then when I finally got to the part where you're able to start reviewing your order, after almost an hour worth of trying to make this happen, it says what's in your cart's no longer available. It was, I think, 1:45, so an hour and 45 minutes of jumping around, logging in and out, making things happen. Craziness. This was hard to get, and it was way harder than I thought. I thought for sure that the silver you'd be able to add to your cart and check out without too many issues. I thought it would get hung up here and there, but I had a couple other family members and said, hey, I want this for Christmas. And just in case I didn't get logged in, wanted to see if they could get one. Nobody got one. So let me know. Leave me a comment. Did you get a coin? Are you gonna keep it? Are you gonna sell it? What do you think these are gonna go for on the secondary market after so many people weren't able to get one? Well, would love to hear your thoughts. I wish I got one, but I didn't. I guess I can just add it to my wish list then. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, feel free to do so. And I will see you on my next hunt.